Game of Thrones, but then a lot of people maybe have to. Although I think I mentioned before, everyone who wants to watch Game of Thrones has already watched Game of Thrones. I feel like that's the thing. Can I talk about Game of Thrones? I don't know. Do I want to talk about Game of Thrones? Can I just say Natalie Dormer is hot as fuck and my favorite actress because she's so cute, so pretty, and so good, so hot. Natalie Dormer is hot. Natalie Dormer is hot. I hereby declare I love Natalie Dormer. I knew her since I watched The Tudors. Ages ago. She had quite an important role in The Tudors. Are there any people who watched The Tudors? Yeah? It is quite sensitive. Just like... Kind of just like Game of Thrones. Why is she always in these sensitive shows? Never heard of it. I feel like it was pretty good. At least for back then. I've grown up. I might think of it differently now. But Natalie Dormer was once again sexy as hell. In Tudors. And then I watched what's it called again? The Mockingjay thingy. The Mockingjay thingy. Hunger Games, yeah. Hunger Games. And I watched it. I went to the movie theater without knowing that my favorite actress is in there. Because even when I say favorite, it's not like I stalk them and follow them so much. Not that it's bad when you follow your favorite actors that closely. I mean, support them, go support them. But I don't pay much attention to what she's doing. So I was like super pleasantly surprised when I saw that she was in it. I was so happy to see that. That's actually one of the best surprises. You go watch a movie, and then you see your favorite actress in it, and you didn't even know that she was gonna be in it. That makes the movie immediately so good. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna run around and hurt you.